welcome. Today we're doing area of 2D figures. Today is December 26th, 2026. 2025, my bad. Yeah, I was just getting excited for 2026 because 2026 is next Thursday. So, I got a couple of my styles for Christmas. So, actually, today we're going to be focusing more on area and stuff. So, I'm going to move this a little bit closer. So, we're starting out with squares. Area of squares. So, the area of squares basically talks about just one side multiplied by itself. So, we have this square, which is S, first of all. Second of all, we're going to do, area is equal to S squared. So now the perimeter of it will be 4 times S. What was that? Sorry about disturbing you. Speaking of this, let's continue. So, now we're doing the area of triangles. The area of triangles represents half of a square. So, now we're going to do a triangle. A and C don't have to be perfect. We could also do the Pythagorean theorem, which is like my 7th grade class is going to be doing next year, and hopefully you're in middle school. So the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Hold on, I'm gonna check and see what's going on. The channel now has a TV show only on YouTube. Did you know that I will be giving shoutouts starting January 5th, 2026? I'll even put an ad into your school's yearbook. Math questions are available. Teachers, you have a chance to earn a free membership. So students have a chance to learn more about everything, not just mathematics. Season 2 of my channel will start March 1st, 2026. Math questions are available to students and teachers if they get confused. Not calculus. I hope you all have a great year. Remember to learn something new every day. And speaking of that, I will even be selling books starting June 5th, 2026. So let's get back to the video. Sorry I got in the way, but now we're focusing on the rectangles. So, wait, hold on. We haven't gotten the perimeter. Yeah, so the perimeter of a triangle is A plus B plus C. And the final answer will be B. I don't know if you could see this, but this is basically what I was talking about. Okay. So, now we're getting into rectangles. So, area of rectangles. Yeah, I know, L's are crazy sometimes, and so does VW. It's just real weird. But, okay. So, the area of this figure is length times width. And the perimeter is 2 times length plus the width. So, like, you're going to have to do distribution property. I think you might want to know this in 7th grade or 8th grade. I do not know. But we're just going to do it in 7th grade like now because we're going to be all crazy and stuff like that. Speaking of that, now we're going into circles. I know. I don't want you seeing what color I chose. Okay, I'm guessing I'm going to go with this because I haven't used this yet. So now we're getting into the area of circles. Probably the hardest one I have ever done in my life. So, I think I have taught this to the 8th grade class, maybe, but half of a diameter is a radius. So 2 times the radius gives us the diameter. So the area is pi radius squared. So we're not going to be doing the circumference of the circle because we're going to be doing the circumference of the circle after we're done. So in our next video, maybe for this class, we're going to be doing the circumference of circles in the next video. So we have the squares. We know that the area is side squared. Triangles, we know that the area is based on side divided by 2. Rectangles, we know that the area is length times width. Area of circles, we know that the area of circles is pi times radius squared. That's all for today.